welcome. We're at the track with our kart finally. It's been 14 months. I'm the space monkey today, so I get to find out if this still runs. What do you think, Julian?
I'm going to go with 80% chance that it doesn't run.
I'm going to be less optimistic and give it a 90% chance it doesn't run. Or it makes it 1 lap. That's my prediction. 1 lap. See how this turns out, how bruised I end up. First we got to fix the floppy radiator though. Fall off the back of the truck.
Alright, well, trying to get the kart ready that fast did not work, so here we are in a rental kart. These things are way faster than your usual kart. Rear axle brake only. Locked up the brakes there and got a little target fixation. And that is our session in the rental car to CalSpeed. It was a lot of fun. Honestly, if you could get something like this with just a little bit more power, such that it's a little bit more exciting, I think this is really the sweet spot for karting, you know? So I saw some adults out there in what appeared to be 4-stroke, so maybe I can find something like that and it'll be much better. Let's go check on our kart now. It's a little bit of a rush. So we were monkeying around with that. We had like 10 minutes when we showed up to get it ready. Didn't have enough time to get it ready, and it doesn't even want to start. It sounds like it is low compression still. So we had to rush off to that rental kart session, which is good because I forgot what direction that track went. Yeah, I think we're trying to get this POS working and probably just do another rental kart session because my arm's already killing me. I don't know if I can handle the shifter kart today. It's too much. So check in a few minutes once we get this sorted out, maybe started. Go ahead.
This might be as fast as the shifter kart goes today. You're up, Lori.
I'm not as strong.
There we go.
Oh. One more time, Lori.
Almost.
Everybody else's cash can.
It's in the back. Little duct tape. Fix everything.
What I just learned over here.
Oh.
Let's get it close up. Oh.
Wow.
Works.
Well, not long enough.
You have to tape up the radiators such that the kart will run at 130 degrees Fahrenheit at least. Otherwise, you run the risk of cold seizing the two-stroke engine. I don't know how two-stroke engines work. It's like magic to me. So don't ask me anything about this because I'm an idiot when it comes to this stuff. The motor, it's got a piston that goes up and down, and you got to put oil with the gas. That's about the extent of my two-stroke knowledge. Zip ties.
They're lifesavers.
Remember, we've done this before. We were actually like consistently getting time.
Yeah, we used to do this.
Yeah.
I'm the cadet today, going into space. We got the kart started. Hopefully it starts again. We'll see.
Oh my God, what did I do? 59, 2 seconds off my last pace. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God. Holy shnikes. I forgot how fast that is. That's just like, ooh, Chewy. She did the hyperdrive. The front end is vibrating. We got to see if there's a flat tire. Yeah.
I mean, it's all vibrating, so.
But I mean, the whole front end was buzzing at like 100 miles an hour. Kind of out of breath from holding my breath.
The motor felt fine and it stayed up right temperature.
Holy crap, that thing felt strong.
Yeah.
Yeah, it stayed at like 125 the whole time. So I don't know if that's too cold or not, but. Man, I forgot what a visceral experience that kart is. Oh, my ribs are gonna be so sore. I lost weight since the last time. It was like, I just get thrown to this side. There's so many right-hand turns. Wow. Alright, we don't want anything slower. It's like I had it built up in my head because it had been so long.
Yeah.
And, you know, this is like, honestly, on par with the leader bike in terms of like the experience. And it's like, not only can it accelerate that fast, it puts the power, well, it puts the power down, which lets it accelerate that fast.
Yeah.
And that is what's terrifying. I was like, I did a 59, so I got almost down to what we were doing last. I survived one session in the kart, and I think that's enough for today. The kart's running. I really don't want to put any more time on it because, A, we had let it sit for basically 14 months, and I'd like to actually go over the kart before I go and try and actually send it on the racetrack. There's a little bit of a vibration in the front. I don't know if that's just me not being used to the kart or not, but it's worth checking everything out because your butt's about a ½ inch off the ground as you're doing 80, 90 miles an hour down those straightaways. So I want to take a good look at everything. I'm happy that it works. Julian was wonderful enough to, you know, transport us up here and ride his truck since it doesn't fit in the back of mine, which was, at least you have the truck that can do it, right? So yeah, I think that's it really. My ribs are already hurting. I forgot how brutal it is. Next week is Autocross at the BMW Club, and I'm going to do a video about how to set your dampers up and how to dial in your coilovers. I haven't seen anybody do that, and I think it'd be really educational. So look forward to that, and actually 2 autocrosses in the next 2 weeks. So you'll see those then. Until the next time, I'm Sean with the driver's perspective.